rip it apart here. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh! Good morning, everybody. It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This morning I'm here in San Francisco, California, and I'm in the Chinatown district of San Francisco. Today I'm going to be doing some walking around, checking out a few Chinese food spots, checking out the community. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. With that said, I'm going to show you everything in this video right now. So we're kind of walking around right now this morning here in Chinatown. There's a number of produce markets here. Fruits, vegetables. It's about 7:40, 7:30 in the morning, and things are about to start opening up here shortly, but I'm just gonna kind of walk around, see what's open, see what's here. Now that was really cool. They had like a number of people doing some, I don't want to call it qigong or some type of exercise here in the morning, but yeah, definitely a place where you can go and kind of stretch, do some meditation, do some workout. Nice little park area to sit down at. It is really peaceful. Enjoy the dancing, enjoy the music, and enjoying my time here on this Chinatown food tour. Alright, so I'm here at this place called the Grant Place Restaurant. It's the Grant Place Restaurant. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some breakfast here. And yeah, a lot of shops aren't really open right now, so this place kind of caught my eye. Yeah, I'll stop by here and give this place a try. Alright, so I'm here at the Grand Palace Restaurant here in San Francisco. Kind of walking around, really needed to get some breakfast here. So I'm gonna go ahead. They had brought me some tea here. Some of this, she said it was really good tea. I want to give that a taste right now. Yeah, that's good tea. Nice and warm. And then she also brought me some sumai here to start with. It's a dim sum restaurant, and so they have a number of dim sum dishes here. This is sumai. I believe this is a pork sumai. And you take a look at that pork sumai. And there it is. Yeah. So what I'm typically gonna do is I'm gonna have that sumai with some hot sauce. So I have the hot sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and dip that in here real quick. Cut that up. There you go. And that's a lot of sauce. But I am totally into the Chinese hot sauce here. Kind of a chili paste with some crushed peppers. Really, to me, a nice salty, spicy sauce that I love using with the dim sum. Very good. Yeah. Yeah, very good, huh? Want some? Spicy. I kind of got my throat there when I was eating the dim sum here. Very spicy, which I really like. I'm gonna chase that with some more tea. Yeah, dim sum, the pork dim sum. If you've ever had sumai, pork sumai, this right here, it definitely tastes freshly made, straight from their steamer. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut that real quick. So you see inside here in the pork sumai, there's that pork here, and and I believe that might be mushroom. But it's a ground pork and with that dim sum wrap. The oranges on top. It might be a type of egg roll. Put it in the hot sauce. I'm loving that tea. It's oolong tea here. I didn't know it's not jasmine, it's oolong tea. They have a picture of Bill Clinton here. I guess Bill Clinton came to this restaurant. Really neat. And he came in and met the owner, so that's really cool. She invited me to come over here to the restaurant. Really nice, very nice lady. And she told me to come sit down and have breakfast here. I said yes. And very nice.
For you. I feel one.
Oh, sweet stuff, huh?
This is lotus. This is good.
Lotus?
Lotus.
What is this one?
This is inside egg.
Egg, okay. So this is a sesame ball
now,
here.
you buy one.
She told me to eat the sesame ball right now. Yeah, that's definitely a Chinese dessert. Nice and warm. You have the, might be sesame paste. I'm not sure. Kind of a peanut buttery, less sticky texture. It does kind of stick to your teeth in the roof of your mouth. So this other dessert here, she didn't really specify the name, but she said there was some type of egg inside of here. I'm gonna go ahead and bite it to verify and confirm what's inside. Oh no, it's not egg whatsoever. It's like taro. Some taro paste. Kind of sweet taro. Same texture as the sesame ball, minus the sesames on top. Really soft, almost like dough. You can squeeze it and you see that stuff just kind of gushing out. Not bad again. Chinese desserts are definitely sweet, but not too sweet. And you can kind of have it at a dim sum restaurant anytime during the meal. So I finally got the beef congee here. It's a rice porridge soup base. Not so much soupy. As you can see here, it's really thick, almost like oatmeal. And texture-wise, it's really, really creamy, really smooth. And I got the beef congee. So you have pieces of beef here. And it looks like it's piping hot. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a bite here. As it is, while it's hot, I'm gonna blow it first. That hit the spot. That is definitely a nice, warm, soothing, comfort meal for breakfast. Yeah, this is definitely something you want to have early in the morning. Is this congee here? Yeah, and you have those green onions in here. Those green onions complement it quite well. Just having just those few really enhances the flavor of the soup. Get a piece of that beef right now here. Here's the beef right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try that beef. Oh, wow, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that beef is nice and tender. That is not chewy whatsoever. You would think it's to be kind of chewy and rough, but it's really not. So I was informed by one of the customers here that in Mandarin it's called xifan in Mandarin, and in Cantonese it's called juk. It's Chinese porridge. Really good. If you're watching this and you're Filipino, really similar to arroz caldo. Arroz caldo is the chicken soup with a nice soupy, liquidy rice porridge, arroz caldo, and they have it with chicken. And arroz caldo is a lot more saltier. This right here, it's not as salty. It's not, as a matter of fact, it's not very salty at all. You could add some more salt, but having it just this way is excellent. All right, so they also brought me out the condiments for the juk. So I got the fried stick. A customer here that eats here a lot is familiar with the food, and it's a fried stick. Check that out. Yeah. And it might have the texture of a donut, but definitely not the sweetness of it. Rip it apart here. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna. Yeah. I'm getting all the awesome recommendations from my. So I'm gonna dip it inside of the soup here. Oh, yeah, look at that. And bite it. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's good, yeah. I think it must need it, yeah. Okay, and the next method of eating the fried stick is to get some juk on the spoon and then sip it. Wow, that works too. Oh yeah. This bread is it's not hard whatsoever. It's nice and soft. It's kind of fresh baked, fresh made. Yeah, you can really get your fill in with this, especially having it with the juk. So I have a pot sticker. Look at that. That's a nice thick and hefty pot sticker. I wonder what's inside. Let's bite it. Ooh, yeah. Like pork and some type of green, it's not celery, it's like maybe spring onions, maybe some onions. I'm really feeling it. It's really stuffed full. They packed it full with this pot sticker here. Yeah, that's good. Excellent.
You want meat? Yeah.
They have a sesame seed, another dessert dim sum here. And it has sesame seed inside and a type of powder on it. Again, that's kind of that rice cake texture, but I'm gonna bite this here. Hey.
No, you can't hold the camera.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. That's nice and sweet. The sesame paste inside has a tiny bit of a crispy texture to it. The dough's not sticky, almost a sandy type texture. Really good. Thank you again.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, that was great. Okay. I'm gonna close off this day one Chinatown food tour video here. Grant Palace Restaurant is a good place if you're looking for an early breakfast or a late dinner. For that, I give it a good grade. With that said, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you do find the time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the fireworks as it is the 4th of July. Yeah! Finale! Yeah! Yeah!